Dear students, I am Praveen Kumar, TGT English from KV Danapur, Kent, Patna. When you think about school, then you have an image of a place where you go with a school bag, you carry books of different subjects like English, Hindi, mathematics, science, social science, and of some other subjects. Teachers explain you the facts and thoughts described in the books. But today we are going to learn about a different kind of school. The title of the lesson is A Different Kind of School. It is from your class 6 English book Honeysuckle. The writer of this story is E.V. Lucas. E.V. Lucas was an English humorist, essayist, playwright, biographer, publisher, poet, novelist, short story writer, and editor. This is a story of a school where the children were taught to sympathize with and help each other. The writer had heard a lot about Miss Beam's school. She was using new methods of teaching to make the children better citizens, to make the students understand the difficulties faced by people with various disabilities. The real aim of this school is not so much to teach thought as to teach thoughtfulness, kindness to disabled persons, and to make them a responsible citizens of the nation. Different kinds of games were organized there. The children used to play various types of games like blind day, lame day, dumb day, deaf day, and injured day. Blind day. During the blind day, students' eyes are bandaged absolutely and they are instructed not to peep. The bandage is put on overnight so they wake blind. This means that they need help with everything. Other children are given the duty of helping them and leading them about. They all learn so much this way, both the blind and the helpers. Thus, even the thoughtless student realizes about the misfortune. The students feel awful to be blind because they cannot see a thing. They also feel that they are going to be hit by someone every moment. It is just a relief to sit down in this game. The blind day is, of course, really the worst day. Lame day. Students feel the lame day as a very funny day. They hop with a leg tied up. Sometimes an arm was tied up, but it was a more troublesome because one cannot eat without help. Dumb day. In this game, children's mouths are not bandaged. They have not to speak even a single word. Thus, they really have to exercise their willpower. Some children feel that this day is the most difficult game because they cannot bandage their mouths. Injured day. On this day, the children play a role of an injured person. They cry for help because of pain. Thus, they feel how to help an injured person. Some words have been used in the lesson. We will try to find out the meaning of the words like bandage. It means to tie cloths or strip. Crutch, supporting stick for lame. Cripple, handicapped. Misfortune, bad luck. Misery, difficulty. Absolutely, completely. Appreciate, praise. Now, what we have learned in this lesson? So, we have learned that it was a special kind of school. Different kinds of games are being played, like blind day, deaf day, dumb day, lame day, and injured day. The students learn how to feel problems and miseries faced by grief stricken people. They also learn how to help them. They enjoy these days by playing the games. The human values are inculcated by this lesson in the students. Now, some sentences have been given. These sentences are from the story, but they are not in right order. You have to write them out in sequence in the form of a paragraph. Don't refer to the text. I shall be so glad when today is over. Having a leg tied up and hopping about on a crutch is almost fun, I guess. I don't think I will mind being deaf for a day, at least not much. But being blind is so frightening. Only you must tell me about things. Let's go for a little walk. The other bad days can't be half as bad as this. Now, the answer of this. Let's go for a little walk. Only you must tell me about things. I shall be so glad when today is over. The other bad days can't be half as bad as this. Having a leg tied up and hopping about on a crutch is almost fun, I guess. I don't think I will mind being deaf for a day, at least not much, but being blind is so frightening. Now, here are some questions for home assignment. You have to answer these questions. Why do you think the writer visited Miss Beam's school? What was the game that every child in the school had to play? What was the purpose of these special days? Describe the appearance of Miss Beam. What did Miss Beam teach the children at her school? That's all. Thank you.